Okay, I'm getting my mower ready for the winter snow plowing season. I take these tires off, put these tires on. These tires have got 4 gallons of antifreeze in them each. And then I got this ammo can box. The tires, I just weighed them on my scale. They are 50 pounds each. My ammo box is 60 pounds. I'm going to weigh the factory wheel and tire now. Oh, yeah. The factory wheel and tire is 12 pounds. So I'm taking off 12 pounds. I'm taking off 24 pounds because I'm doing both wheels. And I'm adding 160. So I think that's a fair trade for plowing snow. My snow plow tires and wheels are these. I got golf cart wheels with a 2.5 offset, but for them to fit on the mower, you need at least a 1-inch spacer. The spacer is 100 millimeter lug spacing, and it's a little over 1 inch thick. I would prefer 1.5 inches, but at the time this was all I could get. So I'm going to put this on. The spacer doesn't center itself on the center circle. It centers itself on the lug nut, so I like to go ahead and tighten them by hand, making sure that the spacer is centered. Put my tire on the right way. Then the wheel centers itself with the lug nuts again. Okay. Plus, when I drilled my holes, I was using it, so. This is the trickiest part. And as you look around here, the left support. And like that. So now I've gone from getting off 24 pounds and I've added 160 pounds. So that's 136 pounds I've added to the back. It gives me plenty of traction for plowing heavy wet snow, deep snow. I don't have any problems spinning my tires. Next step is to remove the deck, and then I'll put the plow on. Pivot operation. This rope is connected to the seat adjustment lever, so I can just pull up on the rope from the seat, and it pulls up this pin here, and then my lever adjusts the angle. Like so. And that locks it in, and I'm good to go. There's a spring around it right here. It's an old screen door spring. That's what I use to hold my lever down, so it'll come back down. This is my snowplow operation. Here's my rope that goes down there. I just put on the seat, so I can pull on it like right here. Change the direction. I can go up and down on both tilts. This is a little closer look at how I got my winch controller on my steering column. So I've got it, this button, the blade goes down, this button, the blade goes up.